Everyone, welcome to the channel here, and thank you for joining me on Friday the 13th. It so happens to be, so maybe you can watch a scary movie or something. But anyways, this is Saints Row the 3rd, and this version is for the PS3, and the character that we are doing particular today is Claire Lil from the game Lollipop Chainsaw, and it's a request, so that's what we're going to be doing today. And unfortunately I wasn't able to show anything having to do with Saints Row the 4th. I did get a copy of it, but it was scratched to hell. The only thing I managed to do was install the game, so I'm going to have to get another copy of that game. So when I do, I definitely will post a video up. Can't give you any definite dates yet, but today I'm going to show off what Claire Lil looks like anyways. Okay, so we're inside the crib, and let me get out of here. So this is what she'll look like once you're all completed, if you happen to follow along with me. Got as close as I could to her attire that she wore. So I'm gonna head out now, and I'm gonna go ahead and go outside. So what you'll want to do is go ahead and look at the map. Take you to the place called Image as Design, and then I'll see you over there. Okay, so we're inside Image as Design now, and I'm going to show you what she looks like. So starting with the body, sex is female, race Caucasian, build like that, skin, the option with the X, body mask, none, age 7, that's just for the skin, because if you were to age it to age 18, which that's how old she really is in the game, it would age the skin really dramatically, so I just went with 7. So up to you, but that's how it looked better to me. Sex appeal 51, face, and yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and be quiet for this part. And for eye color is the green eyeball with the X on it. For hair, under head, dreaded pigtails, and hit X. And it's the color with the X on it. Facial hair, none. Eyebrows, the natural female, and the X circle option there. And they're talking about the bands in her hair for the hair accessory. Color, primary color, the X, that option. Hit X. For makeup, eyeliner, nothing. Eyeshadow, a little on top. And it's going to be the one with the X in it. And that's the visibility 75. Cheeks, blushing bride. Nothing for that. And X out of there. Mouth, nothing. Entire face, nothing. Items, nothing. Fingernails, nothing. Back, personality, voice, female 3. Compliment, the silver bullet, X. Taunt, the cosplay, X.
Did you want a closer look?
And then we're done here, so you can exit now. Accept. So the next part will be obviously the clothing. Once we, whoa, that was weird. Once we get out of here, look at the map. First store we're gonna go to is Planet Saints, and they have quite a few of these stores around. So we're gonna set a GPS. I'll meet you over at Planet Saints. We've arrived at Planet Saints, and I'm gonna go ahead and go in. And it's gonna be the wrist. It's gonna be the right. We'll start with that first. It's gonna be called Classic Stripe Bracelet. And the primary color is gonna be the black. And for the secondary color is gonna be white. So right there. And hit X and purchase that. Okay, for the left wrist will be her watch. It's gonna be the Saints luxury watch. The first color and 14 down. So it'd be that pink where the X is, and hit X. For the secondary color, same thing, so 5 over and 14 down. And hit X. And that's for the middle part of the watch. It's going to be 4 over and 14 down. And then hit X, and when you're done, hit purchase. And so now upper body. For upper body, it's going to be called Music Junkie towards the bottom. Right here. And for the primary color, 7 over, so starting at the top. And 12 down. And then hit X. Okay, for the secondary color is going to be white right here. And for the last color, it'll be 6 over and 14 down. And then hit X and purchase that. Alright, so I'm going to look at the map now, and we're going to go over to Nobody loves me. Set a GPS, I'll meet you over there. We're here, nobody loves me. And I'm gonna go inside now. Be lower body. Shoes. And it should be called Party Time Shag Boots. Yep. Hit X. For the primary color, it's gonna be starting at the top, 8 over. And then it's gonna be 3 down. And hit X. For the secondary color, it's gonna be upper right hand corner white. The last color is going to be the same thing, white, and then hit purchase, and you can exit the store now. Okay, we're going to exit the store. Looking at the map again, and we're going to head to our last store for today. That's down here on the Luchadors, the south part of the map. And it's called Let's Pretend. So I'll meet you over there. We've arrived at Let's Pretend. Oop. And I'm gonna go inside.
Some days I feel like a lot.
Okay, it'll be lower body. And it will be Go Team Skirt. We're gonna just start with that. Secondary color. Starting at the top. Be 8 over. And 12 down. And hit X. And the primary color, starting at the top, 8 over. And then it'll be 12 down. And then hit X. And then go down to purchase and hit X. And now we can exit the store. Accept. And there you go. She's all done. Just exit the store now.
I hate being rude.
That completes Juliet from Lollipop Chainsaw. And if you want, you could even give her a chainsaw, which I happen to have because I entered the cheats into, nope, that's the gun, into the game. It's not too hard to do that, but it's pretty close. It's pretty accurate, I think, myself. So anyways, that's about all I have for you today, and enjoy your new character. And you know, if you like this kind of content, you like seeing these kind of videos, you can support my channel by subscribing, and you know, feel free to leave comments or likes if you happen to really like the video, or you know, you just give me input, you know, what you'd like to see maybe, and appreciate your time. That's about it, and enjoy your weekend. Thanks for watching.